Hi everyone, this is Paulina from Creative Tribe. Join me on October 7th to learn about international SEO and pairing that with your localization strategy. See you there!
Hi everybody, Global Sake. Very much looking forward to being with everybody in October. This is just a quick overview as to what I'll be talking about in the session in which I'll be involved. It's all about marketing, it's all about deep personalization, those words that we hear all the time, customer experience, native brand experience. And I think what I'm going to try to do is make sure that we have not just rehearsed the issues again, but we're starting to look at the solutions in some very practical ways. And that's to do with breaking the kind of linear process which is from a source into a target language and looking at other more lateral thinking ways to do with creativity, introducing the idea of design, introducing a whole range of practical ways in which not just translators and linguists can get together, but subject matter experts and designers to really create a deep personal experience. So in the time that I've got, along with Paulina, who's going to discuss the SEO aspects, we're hoping to give you a kind of a small toolkit to take away and really get to maybe have some ideas of your own as to how you can tackle international marketing, cross-border trade, with a view to really making impactful content. I guess that's the bottom line, impactful content in the segmentation of the target market that you're trying to reach. Anyway, lots and lots of ideas in there, packing them all in, and I hope to see you then. All the best.